Hi everyone, it's Paul from Touchboard. Today I'm going to show you how to put into use your two USB-C ports that Touchboard provide on the V5 Premium. So at the front, USB-C, 60 watts of power. As I said in my last video, one cable does all. At the back, USB-C, 15 watts of power, one cable does all. Okay, so if you've got camera set up, you can go, a lot of PTZ cameras now the USB-C can power the camera as well. So if you look, we have our VC5000 here. So I've got two remotes I'm working with today. We have our VC5000 here. We have USB-C. This is my Thunderbolt 4 cable, 3 meters, coming from the panel to the camera. So that's the other end. Now what we can do is, this camera is now connected to our panel. And our PC, our laptop, is plugged into the other USB-C port. So these are universal ports. So my PC is plugged into the other USB-C port at the back. It can pick up the camera, which is great because it provides a neater, tidier setup. There's less cables. There's not even a power cable plugged into our camera. So if we go back to here, just one cable that's providing the power. So there's not even a power cable. Now if you look at the laptop, just to my side, you've got your one cable into the laptop. So let's test it out. Microsoft Teams, we'll go full screen. When I connect to this camera, what you'll see is beside me, this camera, this screen will come on and it'll pick up. I've got my camera pointing to this. So on this screen, it will say, hello camera to USB-C. All right, let's turn the camera on. There we are. That's our camera. So this is our camera at the bottom. So I can move it around. There we are there. There we are here. Now, microphones. We want to go on Teams. Microphones, speaker out, speaker in. These are all important. So let's go. We've got our camera. Let's jump into Teams. Settings, device settings. Leave audio devices as custom setup. Speaker, 70. I'll zoom you into this. Speaker, 75-inch monitor. That's the panel. Microphone, capture input terminal 2. That's your 8-array microphones. That picks you up from 10 meters. So we have the easiest, most cost-effective video conference setup you could possibly imagine. Now, let's put it to the test. Usually, I'm not sure if it's my laptop, but usually on Teams, you find a little microphone input bar to let you know it's talking and stuff. Doesn't show it here, but not to worry. You can test it a couple of ways. You can phone your contact on Teams and make sure you can hear it. You can see you going through all the procedure. For me, personally, I love to just jump on. I feel Zoom is brilliant for testing. I don't use Zoom for video calls, but what I'll do before I go on a Teams call or Skype or anything else, I'll jump on Zoom and use the test function to hear my voice if the microphone's picking me up, test the speakers. So let's do that. Again, this one cable, interactive, unbelievable. All right, new meeting. Let's jump on Zoom. Okay, so let's get the camera on. First of all, probably best to leave your Teams meeting when you're doing the Zoom so it doesn't get confused. All right, let's start the camera. Here we are, camera 2. Let's test. Test speaker and microphone, yes. That's the panel speakers. I'm happy with that. Press yes. Microphone. Input, terminal 2. Microphone, can you hear me? 2. Microphone, can you hear me? Perfect. Perfect. And that microphone picks you up from 10 meters. I'm going to stop that now because it's slightly annoying. All right, so you have your perfect video setup. If you're never too sure if you've connected, I've got several cameras in here, a few microphones as well. If you're never too sure if you've got the right port, unplug your Thunderbolt 3, Thunderbolt 4 cable, and your options will get 1 or 2 options less. And then you can go, oh, that was actually the camera, or that was the microphone input. So you can quickly establish what are your inputs. So I've tested on Zoom, happy with that. I can now go back on to my Teams and request my meeting. And it's the same for recording or anything else you want to do. So yet again, we have a panel that is fully versatile, lots of choice, cost effective. If you want to try something different, go outside the box, something that's given you so many possibilities, give me a call. Thank you.